Are you tired of WhatsApp shutting down your customer chat right when you are about to close a sales, right? So there's a smarter ways and safer ways to engage with your clients without losing your account, right? Which I will show you in this video how you can use email marketing to do your account. And I have a ways for you to generate 1,000 emails per day and send your offers, your products, quality lists that you can send your offers to, right? So I don't want these videos to be long enough, so I do that in my next video on how you can generate email. Go to my channel and watch it, how you can generate email and send quality email, not just ordinary email. And in this video, let's just proceed with the training of how you can get started and use email autoresponder. Even when you are not active, this will be sending your offers to your clients every day. So let's move into the training. And if you find this video helpful, kindly smash the like button and share and comment. Don't forget to share this so others in this business can know how to use email marketing very well. Here is my account right now, which I will use to show you and navigate you how we can work with this website right now. So what you need to do right now is, you see, here is the email list. You can just read the instructions when you get started, right? So they have subscriber, how to connect it, and how to use the campaign. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect this website and start your autoresponder, right? So what I need to do is to close this for now, right? You see, I have one campaign already and I have one list, two subscriber and one template. So first thing you need to do when you come to this website is you need to add list before you can do anything on this website right now. Right, so what I'll just do is to click on the list icon right here. So right now, here's the list that I have. I'll just show you and navigate you how you can do it. So what I need to do right now is to click on the create new, right? So as I click on this create new, the first thing I need to add a name to it right now. So I just add name to it. Let's say I want to end with Dami, right? So this display name it will display on your forms, alright? So you need to add something unique to it. So I can just call it like 200k, 200k weekly offer, right? So weekly offer. Yeah, so right now that I've do this, then you now come to the description. You can add the descriptions to it, right? So for this training to not be long. So what I just need to is to add it to it. Like let me just say gain more knowledge, right? Gain more knowledge. So let's just give it like this. And if you come to the opt-in, let us use single, right? Let us use simple opt-in, right? So opt-out, right? You can add welcome email. So for the email you will send to your subscriber, once they subscribe to your email list, let's just on it on, like on. So if you have sub like domain name, you can add it to you so that when it's sent, your domain name will be there. Right? So because I don't have domain name that I can add to it, so I can just leave there, right? So you come to the sub require approval. You see, they said yes, they said no. So for this issue, you say whether the subscriber must be manually approved in the list. So I don't want it to be manually approved. I just leave it at no, right? So if you come to the default right here, you see it says my name's here, my email address, and reply to that. So this is what it really shows on my account, right? So if you come to the subject, right? So this is the subject that will show on your email you send to your client. So you have to make it unique that people will want to click your link, right? So you this thing you can use ChatGPT to generate this, right? Which I'll show you how to can generate this with your smartphone, right? So let me just copy let me check my clipboard, right? Alright, so I can just put something like learn how to grow your business, like learn how to grow your business, how to grow your business. So this will be what people will see when they receive the email so that they can be able to click on the link and you see notification. You want to notify them about you want to get notified when someone subscribe to your newsletter. So I want it, right? So I don't want not subscribe. Okay. So if you come down, like see, this is the subscriber actions right here. So because I want to teach you guys, I already have subscriber list, right? So I don't want to use it. So what I need to do is to go scroll down, scroll down. I see here you need to fill up the company details right here. So my name will be you see end with Dami, right? So end with Dami, right? So let's come to the country. So I'll just click my country right here. I'll just press Nigeria, right? So I just input my address in this address bar right now. So let me just use like let me see okay, okay. So just add zona name to it, like zona name. Can be anything. Let's just use NZ zone, Right. So you just input your city, just input your city, like let's see, then your zip code. I add your zip code to it. So you need to input all these details, right? So once you input all these details, then you come down, you come to your right side, then type your industry, like so. This is just like marketing. So use something like marketing and advertisement. Then you choose your zone, right? So you choose your zone right here. I'll just use this and leave the address too, right? Because you have input the address. Then your phone number, you can add your phone numbers to it, like your phone number, it, and if you have website, you can add it. If you not have website, just leave it. Then click on the save, right? So you can save, and back to the list, right? So let's wait and see. You see, your form will be successfully saved right now. If you come here, you see that I only have lead generation, but right now I already have two right now. So what I need to do is that I have created the list. How can I get my subscriber, right? So before you leave this is where you will get your link to get your subscriber. Just click on the what you need to do is to click on the setting right here. So I click on setting, then click on go to the update, right? So I want to update this, and if you come to the update right here, you will see the quick link on the top right here. So you just click on the quick link, then come to the list right here, and you will see list pages. Once I click on this list pages, you see something like this on your list pages. So you will see something like this on your list pages, which is says your subscriber form URL is dash. You see, this is your form URL right now, and you can preview it right now to see how your form look like, which you can edit it if you don't like it, right? So you come down here, you see this is what it will be on your subscriber form right now. So you can just click on it and edit everything that you want to be on your top of the form subscriber, which people can read to be able to submit their form, right? So I'll just leave it like this because of this training right now. So what I just need to do is what you need to do right here is to copy this link right now. So you need to copy this, right? So copy everything. Then I have copied it right now. So once you have copied it, you just paste it on your website, and whenever someone fill the form, they add as a subscriber, which I'll show you how to do this on your website, right? So I'll show you how to do this to generate more leads, right? So let's just go back and complete these settings for us to use the autoresponder. And before we jump into this campaign, before we jump into the campaign to send emails online, so what you need to do right now is to first of all create template, right? So here's the template right now. So I'll just click on the template, right? So I already have one template. You see, this is one template right here. So what you need to do right now is that you come to your create new, right? Come to your create new, and you see here is it. I can just name my template. So let me name my template like N, so that I remember. So my N, I don't have category. You can create category later, and doesn't know how to create category. So what to do right now is that here is the text, the message you want to send on your email. And if you don't know how to create this template, how to generate text, you just go to your ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT what you are doing, right? So ChatGPT will give you prompt on what you test, on what you put. ChatGPT will give you the email prompt that you can add to this template right now so that you can send every time to your subscribers, right? So I will just input some things right here. Let me just input something right here to show you what I'm talking about, right? So let me just do something right here. Like I want to send something like this to my subscriber, right? And see, I've done this, so you just need to come down and click on the save changes. So right now, I've created the email template that I want to send out, and right now we have create list and we have create email. And what next is I will create the campaign that I want to send every day to our prospect. Now I now come back here, so I will now come to the campaign right now, and which of the campaign you want? Is it a regular campaign or autoresponder? Right now, I want autoresponder because I will not be able to have time to be sending me email message every time, right? So I'll just come to the autoresponder right now. So here's the autoresponder. I see I already have one autoresponder that is working right now. Okay. So what you need to do is to click on the create new, right? So when I click on this create new, then here you need to set up everything right now. So I need to name the campaign, right? So this is N2, let's say N2, right? So right now, see the type is autoresponder, and I want to choose the list. that I want to send all these templates to, right? So what I will do is that the list that I will create is end with dummy. Then I need to shoot the end with dummy. And if you have group, add group. You have segments, add segments. So I don't create segments. So this is just a simple training, right? So what I need to do right here is to click on the save and next. So I click on this right now. So what you see here is what you see on the next page. I see my full name, my email, and reply to, and to name. You see everything, and you see the subjects. This is what it shows on the email that you sent. Right. So this is what we make people click on it. So you need to make it look catchy that people will be able to click on it to check what is inside there. So that's why you need to use ChatGPT. If you are someone that don't know what to put here, use ChatGPT to generate this. And if you want me to do more particular training or how to use ChatGPT to generate email templates, let me know in the comment section. Right. So what you need to do is to come here. I don't embedded email, right? So it is just plain. If you have peer that had it, so you can just leave it. This is just a simple training, and just come down here, come down, and then let's save and go to the next page. Right. So right now, what you need to do is that we choose the template. Right. So we already create template, so we don't need to create the template here. We just need to go and choose the template that we need. So I just click on the change and select template right now. So if you come down, you see we have two templates. Each one is N and one is leads right here. So what I need to do is to select it, right? So I select the N. Right, so let's just come back and you see this template name is there and our template have come back right here. So we don't need to create it from the start again, right? So what you need to do right now is that you just need to come down. Okay, before we do, and check the spam score rate, right? So you see that this is fair, and let's just go down, let's go down and click on the save and next, right? So on the next page, we are going to set up the time that I want the email to be sending to our subscriber, right? So right here, you see that activate at this is the time that I want to activate this email right now. So you see that autoresponder event. When do you want it to send? Is it after subscribe or after campaign open or after campaign sent? So let us use after subscribe so that when you subscribe, you send it to them, right? So autoresponder time value, we can just set time value. And you see on the top, based on the time unit, how much you want it, how much to wait until this autoresponder gets sent, right? So I can just say like 2 minutes, right? So let us use 2 minutes, and you see autoresponder time units day and come here, see send only at or after this time. Right, so I can just say let this send at 4 o'clock, right? So let's say choose 4 and the minute, let's choose 00 right now. So what I need to do now is that include imported subscriber. Yes, let's include imported subscriber. For those of us that have subscribers that we have generated before, yeah, like email we have generated, I just add them, then include them here and include current subscribers. So you can just let's add these to it. So if you come here, you see the campaign name, the list, and from name, and see this is your message, and see everything is here. So this is done right now, and this campaign will target approximately 0 subscriber because we don't have subscriber on it. So right now, what you need to do is to click on the save and activate, right? So I just click on save and activate, and this is done right now. So when you have done this, where and how can we generate this? All what you need to do is to whenever you want to post your content, and you need to save this link and add this link to the website, right? So you need to add this link in your comment section so that people can click on it and they fill the form so that they be your subscriber and you start teaching to them, like you start releasing your offers to them. Alright, so what you need to do right now is that the link will copy. Let me show you the link will copy and I will add it and show you guys how this is working right now. So what I just need to do is to click on the another icon and let's paste the link here. So this is our form link, right? So this is our form link. So this is how the form will look like. So what you need to do is that whenever someone click on the link, this is what it shows them, right? So you just input all their name and email, right? Let's input my email right now. So let's input my email and my first name and my last name, right? So right now, then I click on the subscribe and you see something like this is congratulations, subscription is complete, and this is already they have subscribed right now so that when all your message will be sending to them every day, right? All your campaign will be sending to them every day, every day. For a new subscriber that you subscribe, you can just edit it and keep sending it to them, keep sending your offers to them, right? So is how this is work. And where and how are you start using this link to start generating subscribers to your website, right? So what you need to do right now is go, and this email is too long, right? So you can just rebrand it like onto tiny URL, like tinyurl.com right now. So here is the tiny URL. So we want to shorten this link right now. So I just click on apply. So let us shorten this link. So I'll just paste it right here. So then I paste it and let's add the name. Let's say N with Dami, right? So let's verify it. So once it's verified right now, I just click on the shorten link. Right? So this is shorten, and you see, so I just copy it. Whenever I come to my browser and I input these short links right here, see, it will shows my form directly, right? So anybody can click on this. So whenever you create your content and want to post it, you just add it to your description to where your link can be, right? So if you are using YouTube, you can add it to your YouTube link, you can add it to your TikTok link and your other Instagram and WhatsApp to generate more subscribers, right? So this email is very good. And if you want to get started with this email marketing tools, go to the description of this video and you read there. Instead of you paying the higher of amounts to get started with this particular website, we getting access with $13.99, right? So you see, this is currently I'm using the basic plan currently, right? So and this is working perfect. And this basic plan is the lowest that you can start with. So if you are someone that want to get started right now, go to the description of this video and click on the link to get access to this website right now.